just in case you see this or this, right? Don't panic, right? I understand how you feel when you see it. You might feel like, yeah, your monetization is gone. It's the same way I felt when I saw it on my page, right? And before this happened, there must be something that you did that caused it, right? It's either you use somebody's music through Reels or you posted somebody's content, right? This actually happened when somebody reports you, right, that you use their content and the person want to share revenue with you, or the person reports you because you use their content. In this particular video, I'm going to be fixing it, and the example I'm going to be using is the one that I used somebody's music on Reels and I got it. If you watch my previous video, I made a video on this, and the reason why I'm making this separate video is for the people that are actually searching for a way to fix this. I just want them to understand that it's not a big problem. It will only become big problem when you have like multiple of them, and either you delete the video or you just left it like that on your page. It might actually result to something big. All right, so before this thing come out, right, Facebook will have given you a notification telling you that the video you posted, you have someone's content and the person want to share revenue, right? And for you to actually fix this issue, you will need to go through the notification, right? So when you click on the notification, they are going to take you to a place where you are going to accept that you want to share this revenue. All right, so let me say for instance you use somebody's music on Reel, and you're monetized, right? That person would like to collect his or her own share of the revenue you'll be making from the content. And in most cases, these people are not even greedy. They just want to share it with you. They are not coming to take the whole money. So due to, because you already know that this is somebody's music and the person spent time in the studio to actually make the music, right, you need to consider them and also share the revenue with them. All right, so when Facebook sends you this notification that the content you posted, you are supposed to share the revenue with somebody, and you ignore it, what is going to happen is that that content will not be making money. That's why they will tell you that this content cannot earn at the moment, or they will tell you that your monetization is limited. All right, so when you check it, you see that if you leave it that way, the content won't be making money. So the best thing you need to do is actually for you to share the revenue. Okay, let me say for instance, this one is not the part that you use somebody's music on Real. Let me say you got this notification, like maybe you posted a content and somebody is requesting for revenue share. It can only happen when the person is the original owner of the content. But if the person is not the original owner of the content and you are sure that you are the original owner of the content, what you're going to do is that you just need to follow that same step, right? When you get to the end, you will see where they will tell you to report dispute. Understand? You need to report that you are the owner of the song or the owner of the content, and Facebook is going to review it and know the person that posted the content first, or they are going to know the way they will actually review it to understand the owner of the content, and they are going to flag the other person that reported you, right? Understand? So in this case that I'm going to be settling right now, I use somebody's music, right? And I know that I'm not the owner of the music, so I'm going to actually accept the sharing. So this is exactly how to fix this. So I'll be taking you guys to the other side of the screen to actually show you guys step by step on how to actually fix this, right? So see you guys in the other side of the screen. So what you do when this thing happen, like when you get the notification, is for you to tap on it. When you tap on it, right, you come to all these see all details. When you come to the see all details, then it will bring you right here. Then the next you need to do is to click on this continue right here. So once you tap on this continue, right, then you are going to read this, because they are going to tell you that you can use this your favorite music, blah blah blah. But bear it in mind, and also you understand, just make sure you read this, bear it in mind. Then after that, then click on continue. So once you click on continue, what you are going to do right here is you see right here they say accept revenue share, submit dispute, remove video. Understand? Due to, because you are not the owner of the music, right, what you're going to do is that you're going to accept revenue share. So you tap on it, and the next thing you need to do
is for you to click on this continue. If you submit this submit dispute, just make sure say that you are the owner of the music, or you are the owner of the content that they say that belong to somebody else. Or remove video, you can just remove the video from your page. So but this time I want to accept the revenue share, so I just need to click on continue. Bam. And you can see they said here is what this means: your video will remain live with revenue sharing in place or page profile. Your ability to monetize will otherwise not be affected. Just click on this accepted right here. Boom, you can see you accepted the video update. Your revenue sharing will continue to be applied to your video. Blam. Then close. So this is exactly how to do it. I've already done it. Right?
Welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, just say thank you, Marvin, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And if this is your first time in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe to this channel, because we share amazing content on Facebook monetization. All right, and you can't afford to miss them, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.